Got this pineapple growing right here. So I'm going to plant 2 more. It's going to be a little experiment. This is a pineapple top bought from the store that I rooted. So I'm going to plant this one and this one, which I didn't root, and compare. Does have roots. Nothing special. Dig a hole and put the pineapple in the hole. And for this one, I'll take off some of these leaves on the bottom. It'll root easier that way. That's good. Same thing. Dig a hole. Put the pineapple in the hole. Check on that in a couple months.